Mananike. Hey, nansi enye into evelileyo phaa kula commission kaMadlanga. Mkhwanazi also spoke about how the president allegedly he might have known about, but he's not quite sure. He doesn't have the person that will particularly respond to that is Mchunu. Because in his tryings, when he was busy trying to understand why is the political task team being disbanded, as he was asking questions to General Masemula, to Commissioner Masemula, it comes as if kuye kwabakumbuzo obuzayo awubuzayo ukuthi oh please do something. Oh no, he was saying kumasemula, please do something, speak to the president and find out why minister is doing this, yenzelwani lento, etc etc. So president knew, president akaphuma ekuthetheni. That's why bensitsho in the other video, did I greet you? Molweni guys ni right. uxolweni molweni guys niyaphila. It's just that kodwa koko besithetha sisenze these videos, but ke ukubulisa nje is one of those things ekubalekile ukuthi ndizenze. But akho nto indothuse njengento ba ndifind out noba upresident ebeyazi indaba. Upresident wathula du upresident akakuthanda ukuphuma ekuthetheni, because once kuthiwe upresident ebeyazi few days ago besifind out apha ukuthi malunga nendaba yephalaphala upresident ebeyazi. Man nizothi ndiyaxoxa. Let me quickly go look for that. I think I've got somewhere lapho ngafumana khona into ethetha ngalento kapresident. Upresident ebe uNtata Ramaphosa kanti uthi mandisijile mangisikhihle esikanandi, uthi mandisikhihle esikanandi. Mamela bafane basididisa, asidideki nix ke sana, asidideki. Iphila nto ithetha ngephalaphala. I'm looking for le nto ithetha ngephalaphala. Nizoyazi why am I saying ba upresident akaphuma ekuthetheni, because what the hell is this? Okay, let me search it. Phala quickly, because president why phala search asoze kaloku. Why is he always somewhere found ezintweni? Okay, andiyiboni ngoku xa ndifuna kodwa elo xesha koko ibindijongile. You are son. Anyway, let me see. But ke in a nutshell ithi into kabhuti Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, i-political killings task team is still getting funded until 2026, end of March 2026. So for ulona to disband it doesn't make sense. Uthi generally general kayethetha kwi-commission into yobana ngaba, you know what, I did not just make allegations up. I was not just making allegations. These are some of the things that he said. Let's read this article for you quickly. KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi says funding has now been secured for the political killings task team to continue its work until the end of 2025-2026 financial year. So if he had disbanded, why would it get funding? If like ayisebenzi, why would it get funding? Athi Mkhwanazi into yobana ngaba, the commission chaired by former Constitutional Court Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga is probing Mkhwanazi's claims, which made during a press conference 6 July that the country's criminal justice system had been captured by drug cartels and dodgy business people. He said his political killings task team had been disbanded as a result, and that some 121 dockets its members had been working on were removed and sent to police headquarters in Pretoria, where they have been gathering dust ever since. However, last month, National Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Fanny Masumule ordered that the dockets be returned to the task team. During his testimony on Wednesday, which is today, Mkhwanazi said they had now been given the go-ahead to continue their work until the end of the current financial year. Mkhwanazi said Masumule previously approved funding for the task team on a reduced scale for the first 3 months of 2025-2026 financial year, April, May, and June. So they remained on deployment doing their work during those 3 months, he said. On 23rd July, he continued, they made a new submission for the approval of funds for a longer period, which is going to end next year at the end of financial year. They have since received the thumbs up, he said. The team is now fully deployed to do the work. That's what he also said. And then he says, it says, much of Mkhwanazi's testimony on Wednesday focused on the establishment of the task team, the strategy and budget, which he said had been approved by all relevant officials. He also spoke about the unity's unmatched success rate, which he said the statistics supported, and told the commission that its mandate was expanded to cover attacks on traditional leaders and corruption at the University of Fort Hare in the Eastern Cape because of its good work. So for Mchunu to say ayisebenzi uyithatha phi leyo nto leyo akachaze Mchunu akachazi but besingathethi ngaloo nto per se. I also there is somewhere pha Mkhwanazi athi into bana ngaba I do not understand how uthi president might have known. But nguhearsay ke lo, it was said he might have known president. So now I'm saying president might have known also about the Phala 580 US dollars. Why he was told about it. That's what we found out from la case, yeah, because the trial has started for the guys that were arrested for la case. So I'm saying, why is President Ramaphosa in these things as Tetisayo? Why ndiyayifuna lento guys. Phala kutheni ngaveli Phala trial. Let's see if it's going to come out, because what the hell. Oh, sazisavelela zezinye izinto also. Phala farm mastermind allegedly paid a man 30,000 to drive him around. Okay, that's not what we're interested. So the state third witness in the present 580 theft at President Cyril Ramaphosa's Phala farm drastically changed his version of events before court, omitting crucial details like being handed stacks of dollars to act as a chauffeur for one of the accused. Anyway, Ubra Rams also allegedly he knew about the money as a caution, ukuthi ifakwe caution, and the reasons why ifakwe caution. Also now siva ukuthi he knew about the disbandment. Ikhawuzelisa inhloko lonto leyo because he acts as if sometimes he doesn't know. But also wait, didn't he get angry when the dockets were returned to KZN? Why was he not impressed with that? You are son of this country, guys. Too much is happening at once. My brain is billing. Because what the hell is this? You are let's go. You've taken, man. You are. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? I'll see you on our next video because ngvelenga blocker out ngaba kuningi asikhulume kwelandelayo sharp.